Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my regular Ipsy Glam bag, so let's get into it and check it out. This is my March Glam bag. It is a $13 bag. It comes once a month. You get 5 products in it. You get to choose one of them from a selection of products that they give you, and you get a cute little bag with it. Power moves. That comes off. So could you hold it? Oh, you could hold it like that. I don't know why you would, but you absolutely could. That is what it looks like. Kind of cute. The zipper and pull on top are bright green and it says Ipsy. So let's just dive right in and see what I got. I went ahead, since last month they didn't tell me anything about what's in the box, I went ahead and did a quick run through just to get prices for you guys, because I know you like it when I can show you the prices. And since they haven't always given us, nope. So apparently they're not giving us any of the information in any of the bags anymore. This is Power Moves, March 2022. Who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss, whether it's sticking to self-care routines or kickstarting the next big thing. I think that they say the value of this bag will be $50 or more. I did write down the pricing. I did not add it up to see if it comes to that, so we'll look at that. First out of the bag, we'll start with my choice. This is the Sand and Sky Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Moist Mask. Glow and plump. And that is what it looks like. I chose this because I had an entire list of choices and I own most of them, or I've tried most of them. So what I did is I sent it over to my granddaughter, sent a picture over it to my oldest granddaughter, who is now old enough to have fun with all of these kinds of things, and asked her what she'd like to try, and this mask is what she picked. So this is 10 ml, and when I looked it up, 100 was full size and it was $62.90. So this has a $6.29 value. So I can't wait to hear. I'll have to start having her do little reviews. She can't be on the channel. Her mom's not comfortable with the girls being on social, which I totally get. But I'll have to have her tell us how she likes these little things. A new, younger perspective on some of the skincare. Next out, I have a Context matte lipstick in Love Gun. So this is something that Ipsy chose for me, but they have a good profile on me, so hopefully it's a good color. This has a $20 value. So with a $13 bag, this alone covers the bag. That is what the bullet looks like. I have had several of the Context lips. They do both a balm, which I absolutely love, and a very nice lipstick. That is the color of the lipstick. It looks like it might work. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I just have on a liner on purpose that I thought would be a complimentary color, because when I went through to look at the pricing for what was in my bag, I saw this. Oh, no. This is not a good color for me. I'm gonna make a couple more videos. So after this video, I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. It feels fantastic. I love the formula of the Context lips. But I don't know if you guys can tell. It's too beigey brown for me. I really lean towards berries and mauves and that kind of thing. So I will try and find a home for this with somebody who does not mind using lipsticks after I have. But it feels really nice. It's just, I just don't love this color. Next out, we have this tiny, it's so cute. It is a First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream. All of the First Aid Beauty, I think I can say unequivocally, all of the First Aid Beauty has licorice root in it. So I will pass this tiny little thing along. But when I looked it up, it said that it had a $6 value. Eye creams are pretty small to begin with, and this was 3 ml, and the full size was 15 ml. So it's not a whole lot bigger because, you know, like I said, small eye cream. So it's still a $6 value. We're going through this so quickly. I'll slow us down. I'll take a minute to say, if you watched my haul, I'll put a card up here in case you missed it. At the end of it, the reason my hair is so straight today, at the end of it, I tried the new Lola V, oh, I should remember the names, Glossing Detangler and Cream. I don't remember the name of the cream, but it's the only 2 products that Lola V has. I love the way it made my hair feel. My hair is not at all frizzy. It's really smooth. I don't know if you can tell in real life. This is my hair. If I don't mess with it at all, if I don't use volumizers, which I didn't, I just wanted to try those 2 new products from Lola V. If I don't use any volumizer, if I don't put any curl on it, I can always tell you guys my hair is naturally, it's straight, and I mean it. It is, as you can tell, it is straight. And this is what the Lola V did to me, or did for me. I guess it depends on how you want to look at it. I'm sure I could put volumizer in it and that will add yet another dimension. But as far as doing away with frizz and making it smooth, I was noticing downstairs before I came up in my kitchen, it's very bright. It was really shiny, and this is the first time I've used it. So I am very happy day one with the way it's doing my hair. We'll see if long term I get some kind of benefit out of it. Okay, I may review that in a couple more videos as we go along, because a lot of people DM'd me to be like, be sure and let us know how you like that Lola V. Shayna B, Miami, Vino and Bay Harbor, like Bahaba, like if you're from, yeah, Bay Harbor. It's a pressed pigment duo. Those are the colors. They are very pretty. I'm not gonna touch them. I'm gonna go ahead and set them aside for a giveaway because I reach for big shadow palettes. I use a lot of color. Like today, you can't even hardly tell, right? I think I have 4 colors on, maybe 5. And I blend it so much that ultimately you can't even tell. I probably could use 2 colors, but I like playing with them all. So I will pass this along, but it's really pretty and it has a $15 value. Last out, I have a Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream in Coconut Colada. It is hard to believe this isn't my choice, isn't it? I love all things coconut. This is actually the first, is this true? I feel pretty confident about this. This is actually the first product that I've tried in the Refreshments line. I keep thinking that I will try more. It's got a nice seal on it. They do razors and shaving creams. I think that's true. Shampoos, conditioners, and you can get it on a regular rotation so that you wouldn't have to constantly order all of your products. I have thought from time to time about doing that. This is so thick. Can you see that it just came out and it stayed completely solid? Good. I love coconut. This just, oh, my hands are absorbing it so nicely. I like this a lot. Okay, this does make me want to try more of the Refreshments line. My hand has almost already absorbed that, but it's so nice. No greasy, like you could immediately go about your life. You know how sometimes you put on hand lotion and you're like, okay, well, I guess I'll sit here for a couple of minutes. This does not need that. It absorbs so nicely. It's 2 fluid ounces and they say it has an $8 value, nourishes your skin, nails, and cuticles. Quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration, kind to the skin. Did not even think to check the ingredients. Nope, everything seems fine. They say the star ingredients are shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. And if it matters to anybody, it's made in Canada. All right, so that's my Ipsy bag. I got this nice Refreshments hand lotion, the Context Lip, great formula, not a great color for me, the Sand and Sky mask for my granddaughter to try, the adorable little First Aid Beauty eye cream, which I can't use because licorice root, and the Shayna B Miami eyeshadows. So this was $13. Let me go ahead and add up. I do know all the individual prices. Let's see. Yeah, $55.29 value per my calculation. I will continue to say, I think if you're new to boxes and you want to try a new makeup subscription, this is a great place to start, or for younger people. But I got hand cream, a couple of makeups, and a couple of skincares. So it's a great way to try new things. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Have a great day, guys.